Hello everyone, this is Z66, your underpaid, undertrained, and uninsured mechanic. And we're going to be pricing the front wiper blades on this 2019 Honda Pilot. Driver side is a 26 millimeter, passenger side is a 24 inch. These are BF Good wrenches. I got them at my Costco because they were cheap. And it looks like we have 009 LM for the 26, 005 LM for the 24. So let's get started. We're gonna get this one up and pull up the wiper blade. So now we've got this wiper blade up. On this particular wiper blade, you're gonna flip it up. There's a little lever you hit here to push down. And I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna set this down. So this was the little lever you push down to slide it off the blade. Let's get this wiper blade out and we're gonna go from there. So I always like to compare them. Old, this is the new, but they're the same size and everything. And we're gonna throw this to the side. For these top wiper blades, you've got this little plastic clip that you push in right here to open up a little cap for it. You're gonna lift it up, feed it in like that, and boom, driver's side is done. Let's get to the passenger. All right, now let's start working on the passenger side. We're gonna lift up and push in. There we go. To get out, I always hold them up next to each other and make they're the same size, and they are. Like we did here, we pick up this clip and we lift it up. And boom, there we go. It's been Z66. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good one. Goodbye.